What's good, boys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm happy to announce some big updates for the STI. Behind me I got some power parts that's gonna be installed on the STI this week. And yeah, let's just get more power. So for the power mode, starting with the exhaust, I'm going turbo back. So the setup that I have right now is the MPRP cat back. I'll be adding this NVIDIA catless downpipe to make it kind of straight 3 inch with just the resonator. For the clutch, I have the STI Extreme Street clutch kit. It's actually rated for around 540 torque. For the supporting modes, I have torque solution, cylinder for cooling mod. For the longevity of the build, who knows? EJ's, man. As well as the IAG competition series air oil separator. For the fueling modes, the fuel pressure regulator, the injectors, 1050 from Cant. I also have this AEM 340 LPH fuel pump. I have the Grim Speed EDCS boost controller, 3-port. So I'll be unboxing these boxes. Let's start with STI clutch. So it's actually a clutch kit. So I got the Extreme Street version. Ball bearing, the tool to adjust the clutch, and I don't know what this is. There's some installation instruction booklet, some stickers. Yeah. Wow, this is nice. We got this fuel pump. It's actually AEM 340 LPH. So for the fuel modes again, I got the fuel pump, Cobb fuel pressure regulator, and the Cobb big 1050X injectors. Let's open and see what's inside the fuel pump. Pretty sure it's green and black, or green or silver. Yeah, green and black. AEM Performance Electronics 340 LPH at 40 psi. It's actually E85 compatible. Rings. That's it. 1050cc injectors from Cobb. Pretty simple there. And pretty sure it's the fuel pressure regulator. All the hardwares and everything, hoses, 2 stickers here. Thanks, Matt. IAG Performance air oil separator. I got the competition version, so it's not actually bypassing like the street version does. So I got the red one. IAG. Air oil separator. Here is the actual Grim Speed electronic boost control. Grim Speed stickers, and yeah. Torque solution, cylinder for cooling mod to downpipe. Now we're gonna open and see what's inside the NVIDIA catalyst downpipe box. Probably downpipe. Simple. This is stuff. Came with the gaskets that I wanted. Downpipe, pretty big. So we have unboxed every boxes and everything looks good. Can't wait to get them installed and get it to them. I'm so excited. See you guys on another one. Bye.